See where it's separating? Okay, that's what we want to see. So the longer you set it, the more it'll separate. And you don't have time. Okay, let's go your strainer and another cup, but we're gonna move on to that in a few minutes. We're gonna get our strainer and right in. The reason why we're straining it because it leaves white stuff in our hair, and it's hard to get out. So the more times you strain it, the better. The more times you straighten, the more times you strain it, the better. The better. Okay, so when you're finished training your first batch, whatever, it's gonna pop right there. Now, what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna rinse the strainer, get all that stuff out. Okay. So once we got it rinsed, give it a good flick of the wrist. Back to the thing. Put your strainer on there. Use what we have and what we use it with. We don't use that much dishes. Okay. You see how it's straining? It's straining right through. Now we're gonna put that strainer right there back on that bowl. Strain her again. Okay. Shake. Now we're gonna do this one more time. There. Same thing. Remember, the more times you strain, the better it's gonna come out. You're not gonna have all that stuff in your hair. There you have it. And you just put it in a storage container, preferably glass, vacuum seal lid or whatever, and it's keep it in the fridge. To aloe vera juice.